It's really, let me try it again. It's hard to do it when the camera's on for some reason. So sorry. Well, this is this little cute turtle. I'll clean up the old places so I don't be worrying about the dirtiness. I'll clean them up. I'll clean them up, and this turtle has my initials on it already. And I will scribble out my initials when I get them if you want it. So this is this little cute like turtle. This shell only isn't really scuffed, and I'll clean it up. And I hope it can so the next one is I'm trading this one for number one. So, number one. This one's for number three. You said you wanted like a little Harper's Cranial, and I'm giving you this one. This is for number three. This is for number four. I really want number four. And number I want all of them. This one has like a little scuff right there. Here, I'm not gonna give you that. I'm gonna give you that. Maybe then I better for you. It's not my initials yet. So I'm not trading this one anymore because you probably won't like this guy. Tell me which one if you want the panda or the little white one. I guess I'm going to take the panda out. For trade, I'm just going to do the dog. So I think you want the dog instead of the little mouse. All the items I'm trading for you. And so, yeah. This is not for none of my viewers. If that sounds mean to you, I'm sorry, it's not for none of my viewers because it's for a trader. I'm not a trader. But she made this video a long time ago and I really want those addresses. And tell me if they're closed or open and stuff. And yeah, everyone. I got a new setup, like, my YouTuber channel. It's so weird. Like, it's awesome now. Good stuff with it. And I tried doing that one time, it didn't work out. Well, so, bye everyone. See you tomorrow in my other trade video that I'm saying everywhere. You can go to my Google account, you'll see it. So see y'all tomorrow.